Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you a hot real estate update for the month of August in the Lehigh Valley. The number of new listings sank 2.9% from 958 homes to 930, and the number of closed sales also dipped 11.4% from 961 homes to 851. That didn't stop the number of pending sales from heating up, though. For August 2020 to August of this year, there was a 0.2% increase from 926 homes to 928. A major decrease that we saw in August was the number of days on market, which decreased by 48.1% from 27 days to only 14. The average sale price of homes climbed 13.7% from $265,795 to $302,127. While the sale price of homes increased greatly, the number of homes available and the month's supply of inventory took a dive. In August 2020, 1,000 homes were available on the market, and in August of this year, there were only 812, which is a 18.8% drop. The month's supply of inventory dropped 26.7% from 1.5 months to just 1.1. So what do you think? Will the cooler months of fall affect the market in any way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to tune in next month to see what's happening within the Lehigh Valley real estate market. Thanks for watching.